Local 12 News investigation is getting more results. Some home health care aides in Ohio who have not been paid since the end of May are now starting to get their checks. But the problem we're investigating is still not totally resolved, so we're not finished looking into it. Local 12's Jeff Hirsh has new information on a story he's been following for several weeks.
Lynne Dean is a home health care aide we met last month. At the time, she had not been paid for 7 weeks and was afraid she'd have to quit and find another job, leaving her quadriplegic patient. The problem for Dean and countless other aides began when the state of Ohio changed how a lot of health aides are paid. Instead of directly from the state, it's now handled by insurance companies. But the startup has been a disaster. People were not getting paid.
Well, it's affected my health. It's affected my patient's health also, to the point that I haven't been able to sleep. I've had to borrow money in order to pay my bills.
But now we've heard from Dean that the money she is owed by Aetna Insurance has finally come through. In her email, Dean said, "Thank you for all you have done for the independent providers. If you hadn't aired the story, we would still be fighting for our pay. Thank you again." We've heard from other health aides who are finally starting to see the money flow. But we've also heard from plenty of others who have not seen a nickel in 3 months. One saying, "Help me, I am drowning in bills." We are going to continue investigating this issue. We're going to see what we can do to try to get the aides their money. We're going to look into why this program got off to such a bad start in the first place and what needs to be done to fix it so people like Lynne Dean won't have to worry about whether they're going to get their next check. Jeff Hirsh, Local 12 News.
If you are a home health care aide who has not been paid, if you have an agency in that very same boat, or if the new system is working for you, we'd like to hear from you. You can contact reporter Jeff Hirsh at jhirsh@local12.com.